it like this.
The civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties/areas. K. Oklahoma, effective till 5:45 a.m. CDT. Message from U.S. government. The big creatures, also known as bloodcats, which destroyed New York, has returned. These bloodcats has been spitting blood on buildings and cars, which causes them to melt to the ground. All residents listening to this message is strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. Stay tuned.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. The Bloodcats has spat blood at the planes, which caused it to crash at the One World Trade Center while melting to the ground. The building is melting to the ground. Stay away from it. Stay tuned.